Let's get ready to rumble!
Welcome. This is the New York session stream, taken as part of our Road to Funded series. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and make sure you turn on that notification bell because we are live every weekday, Monday to Friday, 7:30 a.m. Eastern. That's 12:30 p.m. Watt, West African time. That being said, let's get right into the charts. Okay, good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing? Hope you guys had a good trading day yesterday. There was a lot of movement early in London session. Yeah, a lot of movement on GJ and gold, I believe, because I looked at gold. Yeah, gold decided to take off in the afternoon for some reason. I'm not sure. I know there was news, there was a speech, but I mean, it wasn't like, let me see, it was this one here. Wait, where is it? Yeah, so there was a Fed Williams speech. Okay, no, it's not even that one because it's 12. Yeah, so Fed Collins speech. So this speech right here, I don't know if that was the catalyst for this movement up, but yeah, we moved up quite a bit yesterday after stream. So yeah, we pretty much stalled for you know, the normal times we would be looking for trades. We pretty much just stalled, right? And then we just took off like around I'd say 12 o'clock. Yeah, around 12 or 1 o'clock rather. Around 1 o'clock we just took off. Yeah, I'm not really sure what went on there, but yeah, we're up here now. We just tapped into 2400, right? So now we're even at even more higher all-time highs, right? Yeah, I mean, unfortunately we couldn't have taken this trade regardless. Hold on one sec, this is loud, bro. Yeah, so unfortunately we couldn't have taken this trade regardless, just because, I mean, this is an entry, right? This right here is an entry, but one, I wasn't even on the charts, right? Two, I would be skeptical to take this around, yeah, this would be like 1 o'clock. So this closed 1 o'clock and this started forming at 1 o'clock, right? So I would, right there, I would be skeptical to take that trade. But I have been just, you know, right now, or for the past few maybe the past few months, I've just been scoping out, you know, other times outside of the normal times that I could, you know, potentially look for positions in the New York session. Because I'm thinking sometime in the afternoon. I know I've heard, when does the 4-hour close? When does the 4-hour candle close? That's I think it's 1 o'clock, no? Oh yeah, so yeah, the 4-hour candle closes 1 o'clock. So I've been thinking about, you know, potentially starting a trade, you know, take trades around that time, right? So yeah, maybe around 1 or 2 o'clock, that kind of thing, that kind of vibe. But we'll see. But we did move quite a bit here though. Hopefully we don't just range for the session, for today's session, but we will see. Okay, so today is a Friday. Happy Friday, guys. So again, currently price is moving not contrary, but it's sort of confirming our outlook here, right? Because we do believe this candle is gonna close bullish, but still inside this range. And every time we pull up into this level, right, into this range right here, we just reject. I mean, we never, I don't think we ever pulled back this deep into this level. I think we kept on rejecting off of 192.2, I believe. I think 192.2 kept on holding, I believe, but I'll check on that on the lower time frames. But yeah, we are still seeing some rejection here. It's possible we flip and come down, right? Because I mean, this monthly still has a bit of time left, so it's possible we flip on the monthly, come down for a steeper bottom wick, you know, maybe grab more liquidity and then continue to push up, but that's yet to be seen, but we will see. This weekly candle, right, I mean, this weekly had a very small bottom wick for the whole time, right? From Monday to Thursday, we mainly just pushed up. I mean, when we started pushing down, we never flipped, right? We've been pushing down. Initially we pushed up like Monday, Tuesday, I believe we pushed up, and then for the remainder of the week we've just sort of been, you know, rejecting and coming back down, or coming back to the downside, right? Yeah, and we've been doing all that with a very small bottom wick, but now we've flipped completely and we've created a steeper bottom wick. So now it was this move just to create that steeper bottom wick, and then we'll see, are we gonna see price basically push up now, or are we just gonna keep on dropping here? I mean, it's the final day of the week. We have 9 hours left for this candle to close. I mean, honestly, it could close either way, right? I don't really have a, yeah, I don't really have anything that's telling me it's gonna close one way or the other, right? Except I know I'm bullish. So if I'm looking, if this is a bullish outlook I have here, right, this could just, you know, maybe come down a little bit more, maybe tap into 190.7 and then go up, right, and then push up. But we'll see, right? It also depends on how, you know, if we have news today and how news affects the markets. So we'll see. But we have flipped here though. We have flipped here on the weekly, so we have to keep that in mind, right? Once we're doing our analysis on the lower time frames. Okay, so the daily closed bullish. Wow, so this is a beautiful formation on the daily. Let me see. So the daily closed bullish. So we came down, respected this support, right? This support held, right? The daily closed bullish, right? So now this support, this previous level has held as both resistance and as support. And the first thing we did here now is we came down to create this bottom wick. On the weekly, that looks like a flip, right? So this could just keep on driving down. But if we manage to come up here and flip on this daily, very high chance we're gonna drive all the way up, right? Very high chance we're gonna see a rally up. Yeah, so that, I mean, that also depends on news and all these other factors. But I mean, if we flip here, especially that these highs are protected, the fact that these highs are protected, it's very possible we're just gonna drive up. It's very possible, very possible. So GJ should give us something here today. Yeah, we should see something happen here on GJ. Whether we're able to take that or not, we will see. So I am technically looking for the buys, right? I am looking for the buys, but you know, current momentum is bearish, so I have to keep that in mind as well. My levels are here. Yeah, so this one sort of, we held this resistance, right? This resistance held. We came down, and then this is a continuation down, right? So let's see what, if this 4-hour flip closes back into the range, it will be good confirmations to, you know, continue taking the buys to the top side. In terms of rejection areas here, or in terms of sells, so we just tapped into this 190.191. We just tapped into this 191 area here, yeah, which is a support or is a level. So we'll see. Let's see how price closes here or forms around these areas. All right, as long as we can get a closure above, yeah, if we can get a closure above here, I'd say. So what level is this? 191.44, 446, 45. Yeah, if we can get a closure above these levels here, we should be solid for the drive up. Probably a bullish closure, right? So you want this 4-hour to, I mean, ideally, if this 4-hour candle flips bullish, I mean, you should drive up, to be honest. Yeah, I don't really see a reason why you would not drive up. But yeah, and you have this level, this minor level here as well. So yeah, if you flip on the 4, If you flip on the floor and close on the floor and close bullish, you should be good to continue this drive up. It should definitely be good to continue the drive up. Okay, it's a really broad ranges, but this is the 4 hours, so it doesn't really matter as much. Yeah, let's see how price forms here. Let's see how price forms. There's a lot of bullish momentum, right, or bearish momentum. So before you start taking those buys, you really need to confirm the buys, because I do understand that if we are to flip on the daily, that's gonna be a very good push up, or a very good indication of a push up, right? But I can't just say, you know, based off of that, I can't just rush into the buys. The current momentum in the market is still bearish, right? So I still need to keep that into consideration. I still need to consider what price is currently doing, right, and how it's currently forming. So in terms of buys, I'd say I mean, your safest buys are above here, right? Sells, say your safest sells would be, yeah, below this noise right here, right? Then because we are really bearish here. Yeah, look at this previous hourly, no top wick, right? So we did all of that. It looks like we rejected off this level, and then we just drove straight down, right? So yeah, it looks like we have a target here, right? It looks like we have, price has a mission here. That's what it looks like right now. It looks like price is trying to tap into something. It's trying to get to a specific level. Whether we've already reached that level, I don't know, but we'll see, right? Yeah, if we close bearish below here, maybe, right? Maybe I need price to form in a very particular way, because this area is a little chopped. Yeah, the area is a little chopped, I won't lie. Yeah, area is a little chopped, Ideally, I would want to take my positions in this area, right? And by that I mean, say maybe we close above, then close back down below, and then we can take the sales going like that, right? Something like that, right? Or, you know, or buys above, right? Buys above or sells in this area, but form, you know, it forms outside of the area and breaks back into the area, or into the range, sorry. So yeah, this is what I'm looking at right now, I'd say. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, this is what I'm looking at. This is what I'm looking at. Yeah, because we do have this. This is an hourly, right? Yeah, this is an hourly level as well. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yeah. Yeah, let's see how we form here, though. Let's see how we form here. I'll consider the buys inside this, or a break with a break inside this first range, if we have a good bottom wick, right? If we have a decent bottom wick, I'll consider that. But I really need the buys to confirm, right? To be confirmed before I start, you know, actively engaging, right? And also for these sells below here, I would prefer a tap into here at least, and then a closure below, and then we can start working there. Yeah, so I'm similar to this, right? So I'm basically trying to mirror this move here. Right, so we had this drive down, pull up, right? Drive down, disrespected. We had a wick going to that area, right? Then we pulled up to this levels, well, to this level, and then we drove down, right? So if we can get something similar at the overall level, right? If we can get something similar to this overall level that has 1 rejection, 2 rejection, 3 rejection, 4 rejection, 5 rejection, right? If we can get something similar to that at that level, then yeah, we should be good for the sales going down. So yeah, that's what things look, yeah, they're maybe not straightforward, but they're clear, right? Things are clear, right? I'm not lost in terms of what I'm looking for, right? So let's see how price forms here though. Let's see how the price forms. Okay, now gold. Damn. Yeah, look at gold, man. Look at gold. Look at gold. Look at gold. Tough. Tough. Yeah, it just went. Like gold just went. It just went. But let's see. Ugh, look at that, bruh. Oof. Look at that. I wonder when gold is gonna stop. Hopefully, no, not anytime soon. Right, hopefully we can have something like this. Just keep on driving up. Yeah, I wouldn't mind. I wouldn't mind. But anyways, monthly bullish, weekly bullish, final day of the week. Bottom wick secured. Let's see what we do here. We're gonna pull back for the remainder of this week, or are we just gonna continue to push it to the limit? Let us see. Let us see. Let us see. Okay, so this daily has a level here, right? This support has sort of held and confirmed as a support. The current daily doesn't really have a bottom wick, so that's a problem, or that's something you should keep in mind. So at any point here, one sec, I had to clear my throat. All right, so at any point here, what you could do here is flip on this 4 or on this daily, maybe drive down, maybe just flip and then come back up to sort of, you know, range in the lower time frames around here. So this candle sort of closes a little bit doji, right? So I mean, all speculation at this point, right? You don't really have much to go off of here on the daily time frame, right? You just know things are bullish and you could potentially flip bearish here, right, to create a steeper bottom wick. So, but you are bullish. You are still bullish. Yeah, look at all of this, man. Crazy, huh? Absolutely crazy. Okay, just gonna keep that level there and then that one. Yeah, why I have this level marked out, this like 2379 level, is because see this candle with no bottom wick on the 4, that basically means this candle pulled back for the last few whatever, maybe minutes or seconds of this 4-hour candle, tapped into a level, and then we just drove straight up, right? So I'll keep 2379 in mind, and then yeah, let me see what the hourly is saying. Yeah, so where's 2379 here? That's this, right? Okay, I wonder if that's saying something on the 30. Yeah, before I take any type of sales, bro, I mean, I could still take sales, right? You know, you can still get opportunities for sales on the pullbacks and all of that, but yeah, you would need those to be very much. Yeah, this is a very good confirmation, a good setup on gold as well. If this were an all-time highs, I would be salivating, right? Because well, not, yeah, let me not say that. But nah, if this were not all-time highs, this would be looking, or I would already have in mind what I was looking for in terms of taking the buys, right? Because if this flips, closes above here, boom boom, right? The only issue here is I don't know what this first boom is, right? I'm not really sure what this, I mean, this could just go and tap into a level, and because I don't know what levels are here. I don't know what levels we would be looking to push towards, right? So this could just tap into a level that I'm not aware of, and then, you know, come straight down. But I mean, even then, things get mitigated just by the fact that you're waiting for a re-break of the highs. But even with that, say you re-break these highs, right? You don't know where your next level is. You don't really have a solid point of, managing risk, going break even, all of those things, right? So I would probably just wait for maybe 10 pips and then go break even type of vibe, right? Or you could just wait for, you could wait for the lower time frames, so the fives, right? The fives, the 15s, to sort of create structure around there, right? After you get this hourly closure above. But yeah, nah, this is a decent looking structure here though. This is a decent looking structure. Yeah, you sort of held this support over here. Yeah, and you have rejected off this level in the past, right? Right here. Yeah, same thing, right? So you sort of held this support. Now you came all the way down, grabbed liquidity, broke all these lows, tapped into this level, and it looks like you're rejecting or you're flipping up now. Yeah, so let's see what happens. This daily has no bottom wick, right? Well, not much. But where is the, let me see, where's this daily? Where's this daily low? Okay, yeah, we flew, huh? Crazy. We flew. Yeah. I mean, if you came all the way down here for a bottom wick, then flipped, I mean, yeah, you take that every day. Every day of the week I'm taking that. But nah, let's see. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward, right? It's just levels wise, it's pretty straightforward. Let's just see. I mean, even a beginner would, as long as you know what certain, if you're aware of like price patterns and all of that and what they signify, then yeah, I mean, look, this is a double top. No, this is double top. If you respect the choke point right here, if you respect and you end up closing bearish here, maybe on the lower time frames, you could look for sells. Well, that's based off of that's how I used to trade, innit? Right? I would just, so basically how this is, if this close respecting, give me a bearish candle on the 5 minute and I'm taking those every day of the week. Every day of the week. But thank God for growth and all that. Yeah, so let's see what happens here. If we close above 29 or 2395.6 here, see the 15. Yeah, I mean, it'll be tempting to take those buys off rip, but yeah, man. Let me see, 30 hourly. Yeah, hourly still no top wick. Yeah, I tell you what, I think you could get some very early opportunities here. How good are they in terms of, yeah, I'm not really sure, because you've already come down here, you've tapped into this level, broke these lows. Daily is still bullish, 4 hours still bullish. We never actually took the highs of the previous 4 hour, right? We just sort of, we took the high of the previous hourly though, right? So we sort of came here, took these highs, closed, dropped down immediately. Now we're pushing back up. This 30 minute. Where's the hourly level? Where did we drive up from? 2935.5. 935.5. Yeah, I tell you what, if this 30 minute somehow closes above 2936, I might just take those buys up. So like from 2936 to the flip. Is this the flip or no? Yeah, so it's from 2936 to the flip. It's about 20 pips. So you would have a 20 pip advantage right there. So let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. Can we get a very early the earliest trade? What has been my earliest trade on stream anyways? Ooh, the dreaded sound of death. Okay, let me see. Yeah, what has been my earliest trade on stream? Hey. Yeah, the April started pretty heavy, pretty nicely, but sort of slowed down here for a little bit. We've had about 10 trading days, I think. Okay, not 10. Well, yeah, 10. Yeah, we've had about 10 trading days. Yeah, we had one on Friday. Yeah. So we've had about 10 trading days. 4 wins, 3 break evens. I mean, on stream anyways. We had a little loss off stream, so I know I say this all the time, but comment down below if coffee wakes you up. I swear it's just a placebo effect at this point. If anything, it makes me sleepy, bro. I don't know why I'm still drinking it, to be honest. Yeah, man, because if there's no benefit to it, like if it's not waking me up, right? I'm pretty sure coffee has negative, you know, some drawbacks. But that's too much coffee, though. That's not really just coffee, is it? All right, so let's see news wise. We don't, oh man, I really wish we had news. We don't have news. Oh, we got 10 o'clock news. What? That's too far, man. Boo. Boo. Man, 10 o'clock news is too far, bro. Yeah, it's way too far. Import, okay. I mean, let's hope import prices do something. Whatever those are. Let's hope we can get some off of import prices. Yo, I watched the weirdest movie the other day, man. Well, I say the other day, but it's been a while. What's the name of the movie? It's like she retarded. Oh no, my fault. Yo, nah, chill out. Nah, chill out. She like, what's it? Hey, my brother. Wagwan. Wagwan, bro. Yeah, it's only off one. No, I didn't say the R word big. I said retarded. Retarded just means a word. I didn't mean it in relation to. Okay, yes, I did, but. Hey. You know, fits. It's not possible. It's not possible. It's not possible. It's not possible. Nah. But it was a movie with the lady. She died, and then a mad scientist brought her back to life with the brain of her child. Like, so the mom's brain was gone, but the lady was pregnant when she died. So he brought back her body with the brain of the child. Crazy, bro. For too many reasons I can't explain on stream, because the things that were happening in the movie, hey, ain't gonna lie, man, Hollywood, they be pushing some type of agenda. I ain't gonna lie. Join the Discord, bro. All right, so we have an hourly close. Okay, actually. All right, let me see this. The hourly close like this on. Okay. This is interesting. is interesting. Okay, so high chance, very high chance you're gonna tap into 190.9 here, right? To be honest, I could even say what's it called? I can even say 100% that you're gonna tap into, well, I know I can't say that, but yeah, high chance you're gonna tap into 190 here, right? 190.9. So that's only 4 pips away. So that doesn't even make sense in terms of me taking that right now, right? Because we haven't really pulled back here, so we haven't really grabbed liquidity, right? So I would have expected that if we were gonna grab liquidity, actually, if you see, if you look at this level here. Yeah, if you look at this level here, oh yeah, damn, yeah, you might drive down here, but this is a 4-hour level as well. This is a 4-hour level as well. Yeah, you got to keep all these things in mind. You got to keep all these things in mind. I know I'm not. Yeah, you got to keep all these things in mind. So you've had this bearish closure on the hourly. You did close below a level, and you do have opportunity to come up here because we have driven off of this level before, right? Where basically where this top wick is trying to form towards, right? You have driven down from that level before, but you have to understand that your 4-hour is currently at a level as well, and you have a level over here, right? You do have a level over here as well. So I would say the thing is, I wouldn't even really expect much of a rejection, would I? Yeah, like I can't even say I'm expecting a steeper top wick. I can't really say that because even then, all right, you know what? Yeah, because I am looking for where's that level that got tapped multiple times before driving down? Yeah, overall, boom. Yeah, I mean, let's see how this first 15-minute candle closes, right? Let's see how this first 15-minute candle closes. Yeah, I mean, this is interesting to say the least. All right, this is interesting to say the least. Let me see this. What is this? Yeah, tap into that level as well. Yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I can't really take these sells right now. They haven't really confirmed themselves to, yeah, nah. Can't take these sells at the moment. Let's see what happens. Let's see at least how this 15-minute closes. I am looking for 191.35 to get tapped into the minimum, right? I'm looking for that area to get tapped into before we start driving down. Yeah, I think once we tap into this level, if we don't drive down here, if we come up and tap into 191.35, we should know where we want to take our positions, because we're either gonna close, maybe close above, close back down below, right? Top wick, you can take those sells going down, right? That's a possibility. Or you could have something like boom, rejection off of there, close back down below, boom, right? So you have potential here, but nothing quite yet, but you do have potential. Let me look at gold real quick. So gold closed, I mean, we closed above this level here, right? We closed above this level here, but this 23.96 area that I wanted to clear, not quite, right? Not quite. But we are coming down here. We are making this bottom wick. Okay, so is this the new hourly? Okay, new hourly. First thing we did, create a bottom wick. Can we take out the previous low? Interesting. Yeah, if we take out this previous low and we flip on this same 15, our previous 15 has been taken out as well. Yeah, let me see something. What is this? What is this range right here? What is this range right here? Lose yourself in the moon when you want it, because you never let it go. You don't even one chance to not miss your chance to blow. This is interesting. Yeah, we're coming down here. We're creating this bottom wick, right? So I tell you why I'm even interested in these buys, right? This 4 hour, right? It opened up, pulled all the way down. We came all the way up, but we never took those highs. We never took the highs, right? We never took the highs of the 4 hour anyways, right? The hourly took the highs, right? The hourly took previous took out the previous highs, right? We rejected and we dropped straight down. We dropped straight down and we reacted off of this 23.91 level, right? We reacted off of there, came back up. Okay, so okay. So new outlook on things. So technically, if this is the level here, right? If this is the level I'm saying held, we closed below, right? We closed below that level. So now, in order for me to start taking these buys to the top side, in order for me to start taking these buys, I do need confirmation. Yeah, so I'm not gonna get in on a flip of anything here. Yeah, for me to start taking these buys, I need confirmation. I need confirmation with a closer above 23.96 here. 15-minute wouldn't be bad. We have taken out these lows of the 15-minute. So if we can get a bullish closure here above, boom, boom, right? This is a decent range, I think. Yeah, 20 pips. About a 20 pip range. Yeah, you could get something there as well. So yeah, let's see how price forms here. All right, this GJ is rejecting here. This could just be a pullback and then we melt, because I mean we have melted from this level in the past, but we'll see. In order for me to take this, we either need to have, you know, tapped a lot deeper down and then come back up to retest this level, or we retest a lot higher before driving down. So let's see what happens. Yeah, nah, but that movie I was talking about, I'd forget the name, but what is the name? Let me see. Movies 2024. What is this? Yo, there have been this many movies this year. Really? Damaged. Oh, I might watch this one. Bro, this movie here was weird, bro. Oh my days. I couldn't watch that. I had to watch it on 2 times speed, bro. I couldn't sit through this. It was weird, fam. I'm not even gonna, if you know, you know. But yeah, it's a weird movie. I felt weird just watching it. Let me see. Oh, Kung Fu Panda. I gotta watch that too, huh? Shit. Oh, where is that, John, man? Or maybe it was last year. Nah, it was this year. I'm pretty sure it was this year. Where is it at? Where is it at? Okay, maybe it wasn't this year. Maybe it was last year. Okay, yeah, maybe it was last year. What's I'm trying to think of the actress's name. Is it Creed 3. Yeah, I forgot the name. Okay. Movie, woman brought back to life with baby's brain. Emma Stone, that's her name. There you go. Poor things. Yeah, this movie. Poor Things, bruh. This is a weird movie, bro. Yeah, Hollywood is just weird in general, man. They really push the envelope, huh? Not in a good way either. Shit. I mean, we can talk about it, but hey, this is a Forex stream, you know what I mean? It's an entertainment stream, isn't it? Okay, we have how many? We got a week left. We got a week left for the challenge, April 19th. Yeah, so we got exactly a week left. I'm not gonna lie, how realistically speaking, like just based off of, you know, even if I win every single trade, right? Okay, say I win every single trade every day, right? For the remainder of today and all of next week. So that's 6 days of wins, right? 6 day worth of wins. On average, these days I'm making like say 30, right? 30 a trade, right? So add all that up, that's 180, right? So realistically speaking, right, just going based off of analytics, most likely not gonna, you know, hit the profit target, right, in time. But at the very least, we get a free restart, right? You know, it's progress though. It's progress, because back in the day, mans was just blowing the account straight up and having to buy new challenges. These days, we're just getting free restarts and extensions. So, you know, that's it's progress. It's progress. All right, we're driving down here on, we're not driving, but we are pushing down here on the 15. But this range, I mean, like I said, so I mean, I said before, right, highly likely we come down to 190.9. Okay, we haven't come down here yet though, but I mean, yeah, we fill that wick up, we should see this push down here. Yep. Yeah, now it's like I don't know what's gonna happen here. Right, I'm really not sure what's gonna happen here. We could just say, you know, forget, like, screw that we have a level here or we've rejected here in the past. We're just gonna drive straight through, or, you know, we reject and, you know, we start pushing up. We'll see what happens. If this 15 can close without a bottom wick, I mean, cause yeah, at this point, I don't really think I want to take buys, man, because I understand if we flip on the daily, this would be beautiful for the buys. This would be beautiful for the buys if we flip on the daily, but what's to say we're gonna flip on the daily, right? Okay, so 15 close here. We're opening with no bottom wick. I mean, it's a good formation for a sell, but this level, we're right at this level. We could just reject off this level. But with the current momentum in price, yeah, man, we're a little too bullish, no? Or we're a little too bearish not to drive down, to be honest, in my opinion. But where did this come up to though? Yeah, if we break those lows, yeah, so we broke the lows. Are we gonna see a push? Yeah, GJ might be a 9 o'clock thing. I might just wait for the 4-hour close. But I don't even like this range. It's too tight. The range is too tight. Or is it too tight? Hold up. 16 pips though. That's a decent range. Yeah, nah, scratch that. That's a decent range. I mean, but if I was gonna be in, I would be in right now, right? Because we just took out the lows again. We've already created a top wick on the 15. So if I was gonna be in, I would be in right now. So at this point, I'm either gonna just miss this move or, you know, save myself some capital. Either or, I'm fine with. Yeah, man. Yeah. Trying to figure out where I would even, or how I would even take these sells, man. Trying to figure, because I don't like this range, man. It's a weird, yeah, I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan of this range at all. And I mean, you always want to be involved, you know, as early as possible in the drive or in the move. And with the way this is looking, I think we're just gonna continue melting here, guys. I really do. But yeah, man, because I mean, in terms of rejection, I think, I mean, call me Mystic Mac, right? But I do think we're gonna come down here to 190.5 minimum. Yeah, I think that's where we're gonna come down to before we actually see a rejection. It's just a matter of how can I take sells now, right? Let's see this one. So yeah, this range sucks, man. It's a sucky range, bruh. It's a sucky range. Okay. I mean, yeah, let's see how we form here, though. Let's see how we form. Let's see how this 30-minute closes as well. And yeah, we'll go off. We will decide based on based off of all of that. Okay. Gold, Wagwan, what we saying? So came down, create a bottom wick on gold. The 30-minute looks like the 30-minute is gonna flip bullish. See if we get a closer above. If we get a closer above and a top and a bottom wick, yeah, if we get a closer above and a bottom wick, we can get that bottom wick to this area here, I'll buy. But with this flip, we could drive up. We could drive up with this flip, and if we close above here, even better, right? And I come to the chart. Mi amor. Mi amor. ¿Dónde está, mi amor? That's the vibe I'm getting from the Lofi joint. Can y'all hear the I hope y'all can hear the music. Ba-da-dum, boom, boom. Oh man, okay. All right, 1 second, y'all. I'll be right back. Oof. I forgot I got this automated. Hello. I'll be right back. Oh.
Hello, hello. This individual hear me. Hmm. Me make some noise. Hmm. Nothing. That's this one thing. That's this one thing. Mm. This individual will tell you to join Discord. You now know. Like, oh, so this you can hear me. Imagine. But is he okay? Oh, is he okay? Hello, hello.
Wagwan.
Alpha.
There, man. I said.
Well, the good Lord saved you. While I was muted on your screen, I was about to teach the kids some new vocabulary.
Are you muted on my stream? I don't think
And
so.
I heard myself on your stream.
Yeah, things are moving. How far?
I do.
How the week? How the trade week?
And I'm recouping what they stole from me. It's all right.
Mm.
I feel like I could have been asked. I need to find some things. There's so many moves I just miss. But other than that, it's all good. But at least I know my analysis is spot on.
Nice one.
Just to be capitalizing at the right time. GJ just melted today. I don't know what was going on.
Yeah, man. Even like gold drove up like crazy
Yeah,
yesterday, man.
it's almost 2-4.
Like this initial push up, I had buys. Yeah, these are the buys that I held a little too long. So I should have taken TPs, but I was like, man, if this thing breaks the highs again, we're just gonna drive up. Like this was the move I was anticipating if we broke the highs again, but we never broke the highs. We did a little bit of a pullback. I got taken out break even, and then around like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock my time, we just started driving, bro. I don't even understand. There was a speech, but I don't think that was the catalyst for this move, man. I really don't know what's poured on this move. Yeah, it's crazy, man. Price hasn't been moving at the times it's supposed to be moving. Them are the times I'm on the charts. crazy. You don't already start to do something with that oh, actually I'll walk now.
Work is all right. Well, actually, I'm done. So
Now
right now, man's just chilling.
freelance in it.
Yeah,
That's
I have
nice.
something in the works, but I cannot reveal it until it is
Reveal
like
it. Reveal it. Reveal
fully
it.
settled.
Ah, for this guy. So you know, even reveal them to your brothers. Ah, wow, for this guy.
No, when we on the live, man. She's
No,
moving
nah.
silent, so
No.
obviously,
Yanam for. Okay, wait. May I mute?
you
I go mute
can't
you for. I don't mute you.
you want.
I don't
Wait,
mute you.
what's that mean? Never let them know your next move and then you do some random shit. That's what I'm
I want for this guy. He be dead guy, sha.
yeah, I see.
So
But to be announced soon. To be announced soon. You know?
hopefully, you know, we pray. I pray for the favorable outcome, brother.
Amen. Thank you.
I get idea of waiting in Bisha. You dey marry, ba? Finally. Finally, bro.
I promise you, I will be the last man standing.
You old
If I
ass
even enter
nigga,
that
bro.
contract,
You old ass nigga. You need to get married, fam.
because of what?
You old ass nigga.
You think that I'll just walk in? I'm like, oh, this is the line.
By your age, your father was already married at your age.
Low key, my mom was married at my age.
So
one of my uncles was married at my age.
So
my dad was older.
Yeah, so not the same thing last.
No, my dad wasn't married at my age.
Not the same thing. Your mother was married at your age.
Actually, no, my mom had me.
So you see your life. They don't already born yourself. They don't already born you at.
I'm a woman. Wait, but am I a woman?
But didn't you just say one of your uncles too? God.
No, my mom had me at the age. One of my uncles got married at my age.
Okay. Wow. Alright, hold up.
And again, those were different times. When the house was nickels and dimes, you know. You work at a fast food joint, save up, buy
one sec, bro. One sec. Alright, so we just closed on the 30, right? So this 30-minute closed. This is an interesting close. Yeah, so I would say this are good for buys if this hourly closed above here, right? If this hourly closed above 1396 or 2396.7, I would say okay, we're good to start taking these buys up. And plus, we never took the lows of the previous hourly, right? So I can't really conclude that here, but you are respecting this level here though, right? You are respecting this sort of this quote unquote choke point for the double top here. You are respecting that level, so I mean you could start driving up here. Let's see how this 15-minute closes. If we get a 15-minute bullish close above 2396 or 2397, then I'll start looking for some buys for sure. But for now, I mean maybe even on the 5, to be honest. Let me see. Yeah, I mean, let's see how the 5-minute closes, but most likely I won't take it on the 5. Yeah, we're already pushing up here, right? So, I mean, you could just, if you take out these highs, you could just fill this range up immediately. And yeah, you're either gonna reject off of 2400 or you're gonna close above, and then you can keep taking buys going up, right? So yeah, I'm not really I don't really have a position here quite yet, but this hourly is about to take out its own high. Once we take out that high of the hourly, you could see this just push up I don't have entries though. I don't have entries because we could just reject immediately at any point. So I'm gonna wait for at least a 15-minute close on that one. As for GJ, so GJ 15 closed disgusting, right? We have no top wick on that 15, but we did close above. 30-minute closed above. It looks a lot better. Yeah, so now let's see if we tap into, yeah, I'm not gonna take the buys going up towards 191.3, but if we tap into that level, that one, actually, let me put this a little bit lower. So boom, 1 rejection, 2 rejection, 3 rejection. Yeah, we have a bunch of rejection right there. Yeah, so 191.2, yeah, 191.2 area. If we tap into that and then we close back bearish again on like a 15 or on the 30, then we can start talking about taking the sales going down. But let's see what happens here. Give me 1 second. Broski got it. Come back 1 sec. If you talk to the people if you want.
I got nothing to say to the people as of now. Oh, how good, how good. BRB AFK.
All right, and I'm back. Yeah, no even there. He's a shy guy. A shy guy. Yeah, so we are rejecting, right? We are seeing some reaction off this level on gold. GJ as well. To be honest, look at that formation on the 15. But this 30-minute close bullish. Yeah, there's a lot to consider here. There's a lot to consider here. I'd say your safest play here is waiting for the 4-hour close. But if
No, keep going. I'm just saying I'm back.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So like your safest play here is waiting for this 4-hour close just to confirm, right? Just for confirmation, because if you look at the lower time frames, these levels are very well, not choppy per se, but it's like there's a support, then there's another one, then there's another one, right? It's like they're very, in terms of just clean ranges, they're not really yeah.
If you're talking about gold, then yes, it's very choppy right now. There's no clear direction on my setup.
It's even GJ. Like GJ has a clear, yeah, gold is overall bullish, right? But
yeah, I'd say sell GJ on the next 5 minutes.
yeah, I actually feel that, to be honest.
If it closes bearish,
I
then you
actually
can
feel
move
that.
it. You can put your stop loss at 191.095.
Oh yeah, that shit is gone,
It's
bro.
it's melting right now. Yeah, I'd say.
Shit. Yeah, I really thought we would have a larger pullback before we
Oh
start
yeah, yeah.
melting.
There it goes. Look
Let
at
me
that.
see. 5. I mean, we don't really have any entries here, so it doesn't matter, but
No, I'm waiting for. Well, I'm about to have one, but like the signal gets generated on every open
5,
of a
yeah.
new candle. So if this thing closes bearish, it's very likely going to give me that signal.
Gotcha.
Now, normally I'd be way out of this trade because let's see, I have multiple TP levels and it's past 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's at my 6 tick profit level, like way beyond where I would normally be out of the market. But yeah,
Mm,
I've seen moves like GG, and I'm sure you've seen moves like this like so many times, where it's
yeah,
just continuing to drop. So it's either
yeah,
going to drop a bit more or start to range a bit, and I don't see that yet.
yeah, man.
But Shah, you never know. You have more
Exact.
experience with this pair than me, so I'd say,
Yeah, no,
what does your
like once you start seeing GJ move like this, usually it tends to just continue dropping. Actually, I said that like at the beginning of the stream that I almost thought about just buying, like just pressing sell, because a lot of times when you start
on
seeing,
GJ?
yeah, man, because a lot of times when you start seeing this movement this early on, right, like it comes in from London. So usually if you have like this type of push during London, early New York or towards later London, you start consolidating before the New York opens, then you either continue it or you sort of pull back for the session, right? But once that volume sort of carries on from London to New York without skipping a beat, which we never did here, right? We just closed. We've been bearish after bearish after bearish, right? It usually just continues, especially on a Friday. Like I've literally seen this happen specifically on a Friday as well.
Mm.
Well, yeah, let me not add the Friday stipulation, but yeah, I've seen this happen before, and we just keep on driving down. So now we're having a 5-minute closure here again. Yeah. I mean, just based off of what I've seen, I would say we should be good for sales, but just based off of my levels, I can't really take these sales right now, man. Can't. I have to wait
That's
for a
fair enough.
15 close, because I mean we're literally
Uh,
at a level right now. Like it looks like
I
this
mean, I see. Yeah, I
15.
was about to say that on the 1 hour, right?
Yeah, like I think that level goes through everything. I
Oh
think
no,
it's
I
on
think it's going
5.
to blow past the person. Because guy
Yeah,
is looking. Wow, this is it's a clean drop. But should I do it? Okay, yeah, I just got the sell signal.
cool.
Uh,
Yeah,
you
no,
are free to take it or disregard it.
I rate the cells
I
though.
should drop the entry and the stop loss. Your take profit, you can set it to a set number of pips,
Yeah, I rate
or
it. I
you could
rate it.
take it at 190.669.
That's TP.
Yeah,
That's TP.
yeah. But again, price may vary on your broker.
Your TP is 6 pips away, man.
Oh yeah. Well, again, it's a bit further than that on my own broker.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, that's why I was like, price well, not misquotes, I guess requotes is the proper word. But yeah, there's a difference between props, brokers, even just brokers in general. Like the actual price they're at, it varies.
Yeah, I feel
So
you.
that's why I'm always a bit skeptical. That's why I was like, okay, maybe a set amount of pips that you would want.
Yeah.
But yeah, exactly. See, look, it's going. I don't see it. But yeah.
Yeah. I mean, I rate the cells. My only issue
Oh,
here,
yeah, okay.
right, is like is that like this
It's a good.
190.8 level, or 190 point, yeah, around those levels, 190.8. There's so much rejection there, right, that
Yeah,
it
that's the
really
thing.
wouldn't if somehow this ended
We
up
can't
going
have a
up.
long TP.
yeah, like if somehow we rejected off this level, even if it's temporarily, right? But I just took the sell there, I feel like a dickhead, right? Because I knew there was a level there. So I'm sort of waiting for this 15, because if this 15 closes below here, I mean, I don't really have a reason not to sell. But the thing is, if we close below, we could just drive, right? Or we might not even, or rather, we might drive all the way down, because right now my TP is 190.5. Yeah, and we could just tap that before we even close on this 15, because we have volume here. There's a lot of volume here, man. And the longer you wait to get in the position, the more, or the what would I say, the less of a vantage point you have in terms of your break even, right? Because like if I entered where you entered, I would probably be at break even already. Yeah, I'd probably
be break
even.
I just called it because
okay.
My rules are against it, because like literally it's so far past my TP and it hits. Yeah. Take profit I call it.
Yeah, that John Melton.
It's actually probably going to hit the next TP as well.
Yeah, 190.5 getting hit. 190.5 getting hit.
I was going to say 190.45.
Yeah, that region in it. That region. That area. That area for sure getting hit.
Yeah, because if you entered on the open, it's not good, man. There are some that are valid, but you just miss because of like no one's strategy catches all the good moves.
Yeah, like the thing is that like I didn't even have an entry, you know. Like it's a nice. No, I mean like I don't have an entry. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, okay, fair.
Yeah, because we're going based off of price. The thing is, on the lower time frame, right? If I was only looking at the 15 and the 5, right? Then yeah, I have an entry. But based off of higher time frames, we closed back above on the 30, man. Yeah, this 30 closed back above. Like if you look at the previous 30 candle, the bullish closer, we closed back above a level. But if you look at the 15, if I just move this level a little bit up, this right here, if this was where the level was on the 30, wow, that's, I mean, I had no reason not to sell right there, right? But we closed back above on the 30, man.
Yes, about to hit the next TP.
Or did we close back above? Yo, I might have fucked it. Oh
look at that. Beautiful.
Look at this one.
This is why I keep GGing my repertoire. For days like this, bro, it just used to sexy. And have you noticed, like a lot of the clean pushes lately, they've all been sells. I can't tell you how many times this year I've seen moves just like this, where it's literally just dropping.
Yeah, I think I have more wins on sales for like the month.
Yeah, the next TP
what was that?
Exactly 190.45, and it's still dropping. That's crazy. See, if you listen to the Israelites, put that as a W for Michelangelo.
Me said I want to come, but
before he would have been funded by now, but you know,
definitely not.
I mean, if you went full margin.
Yeah, man. Yeah, we just had to watch that one happen, bro. Cause
me said I couldn't take it because actually, I should no my role. Yeah, I couldn't have taken it myself anyway.
Yeah, man. This comes down to like semantics, right? Cause this 30, where I normally draw my level is the body, right? Normally the body of the candles, right? So I had my level here. So on the 30, this looks like a closer above, right? But if I'm considering like literally the wicks, like literally the top of the wick, then yeah, this closed below, and then this is a beautiful entry at that point, right? So literally just like 2 pips of 2 pip consideration and where you draw your level changes the whole outlook of price, right? So yeah, that one is what it is. I guess it is what it is. But let's see how this 4-hour close. I mean, if we're doing this, then yeah, we should still be able to get some moves here. If we're gonna just tank here, we're gonna tank, right? So let's see what happens.
Yeah,
I'll be right back. Yep. Trying to get some skin in the game, man. I'm trying to get some skin in the game. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Umba. Look at that. Look at that melt, boy. Look at that melt. And gold's not doing much. Yeah, this would have been a nice trade to end the week. Yeah, so basically what I'm saying, right? What I'm saying is where I would have taken this. So if I had, this is 30, right? So if I had my level up here, right, at these wicks right here. Let me see the hourly. What is this on the hour? Yeah, so this is, I think, yeah, this is why I yeah, this right here. So if I had my level up here instead, yeah, I was considering this as well, no? Close below, 30 close below. Oh man, look at that. Yeah. Yeah, as soon as we took out this high and took out this low, I would have sold right there. Facts, because look at the 15. 15, no top wick. First thing you did was create a top wick, right? Then you drop, took out this low. Yeah, that's an entry right there, boys. Yeah, man. Damn, 40 pips too. 40 pips too. Yeah.
40
Yeah.
pips of what?
Nah. Like the entry would have been 40 pips. Or if I took the entry, I would have had 40 pips.
Mad.
Yeah, man. Yeah, sometimes these things happen, right?
Right. It happens, man.
These
Don't
things
beat
happen.
yourself up, right?
Never that. Never that.
What? That move was clean, right on. At least we know our analysis was good.
Yeah.
No, but this thing has broken everything, bro. What the fuck?
I'm telling you, bro. Once GJ moves like this, it goes. Like it goes.
Okay, like, that is insane.
It goes, fam.
Because I'm looking at the 1 hour now, just like, phew, right back, like a magnet.
Yeah, bro. It goes.
And I checked. I don't think there was. Okay, no, there's news later.
There's news
But
at 10.
right now, I don't think there's any. Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm not staying
Like
till 10.
an hour and 10 or 11 minutes away. So this wasn't a news move. Just dropped.
Been tanking.
Good Lord.
Yeah. Fuck. Damn.
Hope you bought Bitcoin.
I wish.
It's currently sitting around like 70,900.
I wish I bought Bitcoin.
Yeah, I'm in a dilemma. So I allegedly I found a way to purchase some BT of seed. But I'm contemplating whether I should do it now because of this situation here.
Hey, man, I don't know you.
I swear.
Okay, see my guy, the whole placard. Hey, good.
You just see me in my mugshot now. Do they even do mugshots here?
And you know, see all this picture where EFCC go give you that
but they
card.
take like passport photographs. Like they don't have you holding that black and white sign.
No, not EFCC now. You know, see that one where they go give you that sign where you hold.
I've never seen that one.
So
can you put it up on stream?
I will call him now. EFCC criminal card, abi.
I guess.
See him now.
Hold on, let me mute this. Oh, okay. Oh, this one's, see how it's looking like certificate.
A certificate.
It even looks like, you know, those in all these public schools, those boards that they used to write on, or the ones that lecturers used to carry for their homeschooling students.
Mad.
That's what the thing looks like. How are you supposed to claim hardened criminal if that's what you're holding? It looks like you're posing for driver's license. That one's no. Sure. Oh God. Look at that shot.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see how this 4 hour closes.
I mean, at the very least, he could tap that second level of yours, like the third one. Sorry.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see how the
Whether
hourly
it
closes.
rejects off of it or pushes through, I think it should touch it really.
Yeah, we might touch 190.2. That's a possibility. So in terms of
Yeah,
sales,
interesting.
that's something you could look towards, but yeah, man, I don't wanna catch a falling knife, so to speak.
Yeah, fair. Okay, no, like looking at your setup now, I can see why you'd be skeptical. Because but I don't blame you because you trade gold. If a move like this happened on gold now, you never know what could happen. What kind of stray bullets you catch.
Yeah, yeah. What I'm seeing right now is this. If we basically close below, so we close below 190.5 here. So if we close basically like this, but
Oh shit!
respecting
Hold on. Let me. Fuck.
respecting 190.35. I would look for a top wick towards 190.7, right? And to be honest, I would be willing to take the what's it called? I would be willing to take a wick entry here, but we would need a tap into 190.7, right? I would sell basically as soon as we tapped into that level, and at that point we have a good vantage point here. Yeah, so that's what I'm looking at right now. Let's see let's see how we form here though. See how we form here.
Oh, okay, I'm good. I thought I was going to waste my visits.
Which visit?
Okay, so the gym I'm going to, they have different plans. One of the things that makes them cheaper than the other is like you can pick how many visits to the gym you want. So I picked like the 12 times a month membership plan, and it's about to expire soon. But I thought I had like a shit ton of visits left that I
Tough,
didn't
tough.
use.
How far that gym now? The gal, what we saying with the gal there?
And it's to be honest, I go when it's empty. But so far nothing. Mostly dudes
Man's is
and
focused, bruh. Man's is
the older
focused.
Abby. I'm not there for the. Actually, no, I messed up one time though, because I am focused there, and there are not any ladies right now. But hold on. But last time I went there, which was like I don't remember which time, but last year, I remember one time I went there, and there was this chick that I'm like six, no, 70% sure that she was staring at me like the whole thing, but I didn't move to it.
God, this
Loki
guy,
kind of regretted.
this guy, this guy. See, some people in
Hey,
this
it
life,
happens, man.
they
Right?
give them water and they decline.
Hey,
But some
I'm
other
not trying
people
to end
in
up
this
on a. I'm
life,
not trying to end up on those TikTok videos, man. I'm not trying to be a Joey Swole candidate.
me, I love the ways
Yeah,
me I end
yeah.
up on those videos. I actually want to end up on those videos, to be honest.
You just see a picture
And if
of
I
a
see
civil
say, if
engineer
I
in
see
glasses,
say that they
then
look
you're
me,
not
but
touching some buck white dude was like this poor soul, he did nothing wrong.
guy,
She was
no,
she was bending
me I
over
go do
doing
things
squats.
wrong, go. Because if I
It's
see
not
say that they film me, if I see say they film me where I go even focus
yeah.
in, I will focus in. I go make sure say she knows how they look am directly.
It was just some gym dog will just be doing squats in like those those tight ass bomb shorts that they claim they're wearing for themselves.
I don't know. I don't know. I am a
They have these squats now right now.
uh,
Well, now move. I'm like, excuse you.
I'm over that. The thing with yeah, I guess whatever you're comfortable in, but things that I don't see for
No,
some
for
gyms.
sure. It's all just banter.
No, I mean,
Come
guy,
on,
some
we
things
said
where
some
they
of
see,
them,
guy.
some of them.
Yeah, man, some
Hmm?
things where they see. It's
Yeah,
like, fam, and this ain't.
it's like, you're doing this
Yeah,
on purpose.
yeah. I mean, you have ulterior motives, yeah.
Like I saw one chick, like her whole freaking camel toe, like the tightness of this thing was unbelievable. Like it was practically nothing she was wearing.
So the
Like it
worst
was
part,
so bad, like the gym actually had to kick her out for it. They were like,
mad.
man, what are you wearing?
The worst one
That's how
I
you know it's
say,
bad. When other women are telling you that, hey, calm down.
no be women supporting women again.
I mean,
The worst one I when the
oh
thing
well.
come match their skin color. You can't think say they walk around
I mean,
just in the naked, straight up naked. Yeah, so we have opportunities to keep taking these cells, and to be honest, 190.2 is a possibility. Yeah, it's gonna be tough though. I need specific.
You're gonna have to delete this live.
Why?
Don't let them cancel you in the future when you blew.
Waiting at all.
They'll be like, Larry from 2024 is a misogynist and his friend MC.
What did I say that is
They are,
misogynism?
they are oppressing women. They don't believe they should have the right to wear whatever they want in the gym.
I know,
They are
please,
not wearing
please do. In fact,
male gear, blah, blah, blah.
no, waiting concern me. Where they were, waiting concern me. I mean, the less the better, self, because none of them be my babe. So I just dey look another man babe and waiting.
I swear, no, but you know them, they'll always look for one way to spin the thing.
No, if they hear me say I know they look, I will tell them say I they look. I go focus in. I go make sure say they know. They crazy. The Lord gave me eyes to see, and you have put things that I can see in front of my eyes. So if 1 + 1 = 2, I must see.
Actual. Yeah, this thing is dropping. What's going on?
I'm not even surprised it's dropping. I'm just more just
No, because I'm still fairly new to the GJ scene.
oh yeah. Yeah. Once GJ moves, it moves, bro. Especially this sustained movement, like between what are they called? Sessions from from what's it called?
New York, London.
From London to New York, this sustained move down, yeah, man. Because I mean, if you look, okay, all right, hold up. We just had a 4-hour close. Damn it. Yeah, the first thing I really wanted us to just drive up. I mean, if we can take this low, if we take out this low, one of two things are gonna happen. We're either just gonna drive down, like straight down, right? Or because now, I mean, there's volume in them. Oh wait, hold on. Let me see gold. Let me see gold. Let me see what
Oh yeah,
gold.
don't get distracted.
Let me see what gold did. Okay, gold closed bearish, right? Okay. Gold bearish on gold. It looks like this support or this level here sort of held, right? Gold currently has no bottom wick. Okay, these are all good things. We've taken out the hourly highs. Can we take out the 4-hour highs now? Question. All right, let's get active, guys. If we tap into 2400, I'm gonna have sell stops on gold. So 2 ways I'm gonna take sells here. If we tap into 2400, I'll have sell stops on gold. Or if we have a 5-minute bearish closure. The problem now here is you don't know where you're gonna put your stop loss, right? Because these are all-time highs. I don't really have a level, right? I don't really have a level for that. So
sometimes one must create their own level.
Yeah. I don't really have.
You know what? Let me check out, right? The Israelite shall walk again.
Nice. Yeah, so here's what I'm seeing on gold, right? We haven't tapped into 2400 yet, but if we do tap into 2400, things get interesting, right?
Enter, no joke, enter now or the next 5 minute open. Stop loss at 2392.
That's not even a bad shot, right? Because what I have, okay, wait, what did we just tap into? 4 hour. So we still haven't taken out those highs though. Still haven't
Yeah, no,
taken out those highs.
wait for the
So
next
I'm
five
not
minutes.
gonna,
Yeah,
yeah.
if the next 5 minutes, because to be honest, no, I was lacking small because my buy signal on gold came
Oh,
at
you're
the
looking
last
for
five
buys?
minutes.
You're looking for buys?
Yeah, on gold.
Yeah, nah, bro. I'm not looking for buys.
Oh, okay, fair,
Yeah,
fair, fair.
nah, nah.
But I'm just saying, like, if you're going, okay, fair.
Okay, yeah. So this is what I'm seeing here, right? This is pulling back now, right? But I'm not gonna have sell stops yet. We needed to have cleared everything for me to have sell stops, but we haven't cleared everything, right? So what I'm looking at right now is if we can get this candle to flip. If this 5 can flip and close bearish, I'm gonna look for the next 5 to come up and tap into, I'd say maybe 23.99 or no, 23.98, right? Yeah. So if this candle can close bearish on the 5, right, I'll look to tap into 23.98, and then I'll take those sells. I'll put the sell stops at the flip of that candle. The second thing that can happen again is we end up tapping into 2400 here before this 15-minute closes. I'll have the sell stops in at the flip of the 15 candle, right? So a bunch of ways where we can enter sells here, but yeah, right now I am just waiting. Right now I have to wait. It's not really confirmed yet because we are very bullish, right? We are very, very bullish on gold. So in order for you to confirm these sells going down, you really want to take out these highs first. Because even though this 4 hour has no bottom wick, nothing says we can't just come down. As soon as we create that bottom wick, we just start pushing straight up again, right? Nothing says we have to drive down. But if we take out those highs first, or we have a bearish closure first, then we can start playing off of those, right? So let's see, yeah, let's see how we form here. 20 seconds left for this 5 minute to close. We're most likely gonna close bearish here, so at that point we're waiting for the 15-minute close, or we're gonna close bullish, sorry. So yeah, at that point we're gonna wait for the 15-minute close or a 5. Okay, now we're breaking those highs. Are we? Yeah, look at that push. Yeah, actually, let's see how this 5 opens. Yeah, if this 5 had no top wick, maybe, but we have a top wick. Okay, well, yeah, first thing we did was create a bottom wick. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for at least another 5 close. Before I can take anything here. Yeah, let's go back to GJ real quick. Yeah, so GJ, yeah, like I said, once we get to that level, we're either just gonna drive down, which we did. At this point, we're sort of in I guess no man's land, you would say, because I really don't know what's gonna happen. Yeah, I need closures here. I need closures on GJ. Yeah, the best place for you to have been in would be that initial move right there. Would have been this initial move, because right now this is just straight up house money. You're playing runners right now. You're playing straight up runners right now. Straight up runners right now. Let me see. Where would my stop loss have been? Probably around here, 91. Yeah. 91, so that's at least 2. So that's at least, yeah. This would have been nice. So we just tapped into TPs, right? We just tapped into 190.2. How price moves from here, we'll see. I really don't know how we're gonna move now. Yeah, GJ hit all the TPs right now, man. All the TPs. I'd say, I mean, the next move, be honest, yeah, I don't even know, man. I don't even know. Minimum 30-minute close on GJ. But yeah, I really don't know. I mean, if we end up closing inside this range, we could play this range as well, but yeah, man. Damn, bro. Just like a 2 pip difference in range or in level changes the whole game. All right, bro. Just a 2 pip difference changes the whole game, bro. The whole thing. Yeah, unfortunately, I can't take anything on GJ right now. We're just dropping, man. We're just dropping. We're just dropping. I ain't gonna cap. We just dropping. And we still dropping. Yeah, that's crazy, bro. That's absolutely nuts. But let's put some of that energy into gold, right? Gold hasn't left quite yet, so we can still get some on gold. Right? So yeah, this is why I don't want to enter this gold sells right now, because this could just be a bottom wick for this 5 to drive up. If this 5 closes bullish, I'll wait for a bit of a top wick and I'll take the sells going down. Wait, but we did. This kid, man. What a weird kid. What a weird kid. All right. So we flipping here on gold. Did we even take? We didn't even take out the highs, right? We didn't really take out the highs, but we did tap into that level. All right. Okay, now you have a bottom wick for this 5 and it's 15. Right. So 2 things that could happen. You could come here. Is that enough of a vantage point? Yeah, if you cross it back down below here. What is this, 13 pips? That's this one right there. What's the minute doing? Yeah, I'm gonna just close GJ for now, to be honest, because that's pretty much gone. Yeah, let's see. So now we've created that bottom wick, right? Cool. We've created that bottom wick, and it looks like we're rejecting back up, right? So this is why we wait, right? This is why we wait. Now we have this 5-minute closing like this. Okay, cool. So if we can have a 15-minute closure here, if we get a 15-minute close like this, we get a bottom wick. That's, to be honest, question for the day, huh? Question for the day. So 5-minute. If you break these lows, this is the 5 flip, or this is the 15 flip, right? 30 flip, hourly flip, 4-hour flip. I'll tell you what, if we break these lows again, yeah, if we break these lows again, on the 5, I'm gonna have a buy stop. $7.32. Could come down here and flip, right? So at that point you're fucked. So right there, cool. Looks like we might do it, guys. We might do it. 15.5. So we just took out those lows. I'm gonna have a buy stop here. What is it? 78. Gold. 5. Boom. What is that? 2397. 9.5. Okay, so I have a buy stop at 2397.32. Yeah, I got a buy stop at 2397.32. Yeah. So let's see how this that's the 15 about to close as well, right? So let's see how this forms here. Let's see how this forms. Yeah, you would be looking to take out these highs, right? 1530. I mean, but if the 15 closes below here as well. Yeah. So let's see how this forms.
Yes, it was back.
Well, one.
Back. Good.
Yeah, if we get to
Who you
the
calling a weird kid?
huh?
Who you calling a weird kid?
Yeah, you're a weird kid, bro. Yeah. Let's see what happens. If it's a minute, if we have a minute left, we haven't flipped or we haven't been activated, I'm gonna delete it and wait for the 15 minute to close. Because then that 15-minute close bullish, I'm gonna buy off rip. I'm not gonna wait for a bottom wick. It's gonna be off rip. Let's see, you got 20 seconds here for a minute. Let me see how the minute's forming as well. Yeah, I mean, no top wick. We have a bottom wick though, so that could just be the top wick. Yeah, so I'm gonna delete the order for now and wait for this 15 to close. If this 15 closes bullish above 23.97, I'm gonna buy manually. I'm gonna market execute, right? But we need to clear all these highs though, and you're gonna need to manage. You're gonna need to manage risk pretty actively, right? Because your vantage point is 30 something pips away, but that 30 something pips is gonna happen quick. If what I'm trying to accomplish is what happens, it's gonna happen quick. It's gonna happen pretty quick. Yeah, you tapped that level, never took the highs though. Yeah, you flipped how many times? Yeah, you flipped quite a bit. 15.5. Yeah, how's this 15 gonna close? Can we flip here? So yeah, nah, we ain't flip on the 15, so we wait. We didn't flip on the 15, so we change plan. The plan of attack has changed. So boom, 15 close. How's the 4-hour looking? Hourly, to be honest, if we break these lows again, we might drive down. Let me just see something here though. What's this? How many pips is this? Yeah, it came all the way down top there. Shift. Boom. So we tapped it, respected, pushed up, tapped that level, came down. Okay, that's what I'm saying here, right? Yeah, I tell you what, I'm gonna have a sell stop. I'm gonna have a sell stop at the break of the 4-hour lows. Cool. I actually like that we flipped up. Yeah, I like that we flipped up. We're sort of rejecting again, creating a steeper top wick on the 15. Yeah, I'm gonna have a sell stop at the flip of these lows if I can. If not, I'll enter manually. Yeah, and in terms of sell stop, I mean, yeah, if you flip there, you really should just drive. You really shouldn't come back up. So I'm gonna have my stops at, or my stop loss at let me see, maybe 24.10. That's an imaginary level though, so it's really not the best. Yeah, it's a little bit of a stretch. I really want those highs to get taken out though. Those highs, if those highs get taken out, then yeah, that would be so good in terms of confirmations. But we are pushing up though. Yeah. Yeah, it's just a matter of, do you want to risk missing this move, or you know, risk getting into some drawdown here, right? Because you could take this now, or you could put in your sell stop, you tap into that level, and you come back up, right? So now we tapped into that one, right? So okay, yeah, I'm gonna have a sell stop here. 24. In terms of my stop loss, I'm gonna put it at like really it should be at 24.01, but I'm gonna put it at like 24.05. Yeah, so I have a
And then
even 100 pips here. So gold, Goldilocks. Yeah, so I'm gonna have a sell stop on the flip of this what's it called, flip of this 4 hour, which is what level is that, which is 2394.28, I'd say. Yeah, so 2394.28. I have a sell stop at 2394.28. Hey, let's see how this 5 closes as well. I mean, if the 5 can close like this, if the 5 closes bullish above 23.97, I'll delete the position again. Because I mean, we take the positions, we have to update our outlook on the charts as we go, right? So high chance we get activated here though. In terms of whether the trade is gonna play out, we'll see, right? But high chance we at least get activated. Yeah, let's see what happens here. I'm still also interested in this 30 close for GJ. So if we're not in this trade, we might still have what did you say?
GG guy.
Yeah, man.
Don't collect.
I probably should, huh? But if I see an opportunity, I'll take it, right? But
like sometimes God gives people opportunities, sends an Israelite their way, drop signal live on chat, and they don't take it, man.
this guy, well, I'll go ban you from my chat. Well, I else ban you. I did talk nonsense. Okay,
Wait,
so
but chat, did I or did I not give this guy the perfect entry ahead of it, ahead of time with the stop loss and everything? Didn't even come close, man. It was clean.
okay, so this 5 sort of closed above resistance. Did we drive down from there, or where did we drive down from? Okay, so yeah, this would be more the level. We take out those highs and flip. That's the 15 flip. 15 flip in the 4 hour. 30, 15. Wait, is this 15 and 30 the same? Let me see. Okay, yeah, we're still cooking. We still have our positions in. We still have our what's it called? Orders. We still have our orders in. We still got our orders. Let him cook. Yeah, once we take out these highs, this is added confluence if we flip. Cool, we took out those highs, added confluence. If we can take out these highs as well, even more added confluence. And if we can yeah, if this 5 closes bullish though, I'm gonna delete it and wait for the 30-minute close.
What are you looking at?
Gold. Oh. Yeah, so I mean, two things that can happen here if we get activated. Or rather, I'm looking to do two things here. If this 5 closes bullish, I'll delete the current what are they called? Orders? Is that what I'll call them? Yeah, orders, I guess. Yeah, I'll delete the current orders and wait for the 30-minute close. If this 30-minute close is bullish, I mean, just buy, right? That's pretty much all you need to do at that point, just buy. But yeah, let's see. Let us see. If we somehow tap 2400 again and we flip off the 5, I mean, we have 2 minutes left for this 5, so highly unlikely. But if we somehow tap 2400 and we flip off this 5, wow, I might just increase my risk. I might just put in more positions, because I am still risking. I'm still taking partial risk on gold, just because, you know, gold, once you start seeing that drawdown on gold, it messes with your head, man. Start getting in your feelings. Yeah, let's see what happens here. Yeah, if you're looking for something on GJ, I'd say take the flip of this 15. Yeah. Well, no, I wouldn't say that. That would be bad advice. No, that's a lie. Yeah, I'd say wait for the 30-minute to close. Yeah, wait for the 30-minute to close, but understand that if this 15 flips, you could drive down. You could continue this drive down. All right, because once GJ starts getting on this type of vibe, this type of trend, it'll have its pullbacks, then drop straight down, right? Like, it'll have a pullback, drop straight down. And you already had this pullback on the 5. Now you could just have your drop straight down, right? So keep that in mind, but you did just tap into a level, so do with that as you will, man. Yeah, is that 15 flip? 15-minute about to flip. 15-minute is about to flip. Yeah, if this 30-minute flips though, you come up. To be honest, you don't even need to break the highs, man. You just need a top wick, right? Because this is a lot of momentum, and 930 is about to open, right? NYSE is gonna bring in. If this was the momentum before NYSE, I mean, you would reckon you would still have some momentum at NYSE open, right? So yeah, there goes your 15-minute. Oh well, not quite yet, but yeah,
You know, for a second, I thought you were talking about NYC, like EU service.
See your mind.
Uh,
Yeah, nah.
I'm
So
focused on work.
I've deleted. I deleted the entries. To be honest, I mean, this was the initial push. This was the initial buy, right? That we had, right? A closure above here, and then yeah, I mean, high chance we go up here. This is 17 pips. Am I willing to take this 17 pip range? We already closed below here. Yeah, now I'm just gonna wait for the 30-minute close. Yeah, I feel I just wait for the 30-minute close, man. Rabata. Ooh, yeah, so this was the initial position we had, but we didn't get, right? Closure above and then the drive up, but let's see if this regardless, this 30 minutes should give us something. Well, not give us something, but we should know if we have something by this 30 minute. Yeah, if we don't have anything, it's gonna be a pretty tight one, because I got a dip, but I do want to stay till 10, but I got a dip at 10:10 literally. So we'll see what happens though. Damn, bruh. Man, back-to-back days with almost getting into a trade feels bad, man.
1 sec. Yeah.
He has been summoned by the gods. Receba. Look at that, huh? Look at that, huh? Yeah, we're rejecting that level holding. That level holding 2 seconds, 1 second. Okay, how do we close? This is what, 30-minute close? First thing we do, create a top wick. What does that look like on the 4 hour? So this 4 hour might flip and drive, right? Okay, we just flipped. That's a flip on the 4, right? Okay. What did we close respecting though? We close above or respecting? That would be what level? This level? Yeah, you could just drive down there. Let me see this level. Okay, so you close respecting that level, right? That hourly level. Okay. Close respecting that hourly level. Let me see this 5. Okay, 5. So that's the 4 hour closing again. Boom. Okay. 30. Down. That's a lot of volume here. A lot of volume. Look at that form, huh? Look at that form. There you go. Yeah, that's. I mean, if I was in, this would be break even right there. So, yeah, let's see how this 5 closes. If we have this 5 close below 2393.5 here, I'm gonna take the sales going down. How many pips is this?
Oh, are we in a trade?
No. This is 23 pips. Okay. Yeah, let's see how this 5-minute closes. We did close bullish here on the 30. Right, we did close bullish, but I mean this level doesn't exist on the 30.
So
but
gold about to turn bearish.
Or
No, I'm saying gold about to turn bearish, but it's still choppy.
yeah.
Beware.
So yeah. So So we've taken the low, we did close bullish, but like as Mike said, we are respecting this level, right? We closed bullish, but we're respecting this level. But now we've taken out these lows, we've tapped into this level here. So two things can happen. Let's see what this 5 does. If this 5-minute close is bullish, I'll look to take those buys. But if we can close bearish below, say 23.90, well, there's a couple of things I could look to take sells, to be honest. There's a couple of things.
Those, yeah, well, do what you will, but I'd stay out right now. It's in a range on the 5-minute.
Yeah.
And on top of that, my signals are conflicting right now, so I don't recommend it in good conscience.
Yeah. Let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah, we tapped into this level, right? We tapped into this 2393.4 level, and we are holding. Yeah. I mean, you could take either or, to be honest. How did this last 5 close? No bottom wick? Now we have a bottom wick. Yeah, I wish this level was on the 30. If this level was on the 30, then for sure I'd be looking for sells, but it's not on the 30. It's on the... Yeah, it's right here. Yeah, we've driven off of that before. 15. So 1 minute for a 5 close here. Can we close bearish on this 5? Or are we gonna close bearish on this 5? Let me see. Okay, so we just flipped bullish again. Yeah, if this 30, oh yeah, that's gone, bro. That's fucking gone. Yeah, let's see this 5 though. Let's see how this 5 closes. Let's see how this 5 closes. If you can have a bit of a pullback on the 5, I'll consider those buys. Okay, yeah, I like where we're closing though. I like where we're closing. Yeah, I should have put. Okay, nah. We need this to have a top wick though. Okay, man. Price is doing whatever today. Okay, gold 5 closing bullish. Okay, first thing we did is a top wick, so no bueno. Can we come down here? Can we come down here? So let me see. 30, 15. Yeah, we tapped all the way into there, right? Yeah, so this is what I'm gonna look for. Oh, did that just flip? Don't flip yet. Come on, man. You can come down a little bit more. There you go. Yeah, if we can tap into... Yeah, let's tap. Okay, right there, I'm gonna have a buy stop. Yeah, I'm gonna have a buy stop. We might market execute, actually, because the way price is moving. I don't think we'll have time to get a buy stop. Oof, yeah, that's a lot. Let's see, hourly. I'm gonna add the bottom of these lows here, so gold, what is this? Am I looking? Oh, hold up. Oh, this is happening quick. Let me see, 0.15. Boom, and then this is how many pips? 14 pips. Yeah, so if we take out those highs again, I'm gonna buy. I'm probably gonna enter manually. It's probably gonna be a manual entry. Let's see. Let us see. Yeah, if we take out those highs again, I'm gonna buy. And I am not yet. Gotta take out the highs. Okay, I just got into a buy. So I mean, you want to pay attention. I'm gonna manage this one quick. I'm gonna manage it quick, to be honest, because if we don't push up here, if we don't see some violence happening right now, then there's a problem, right? If we don't start seeing violence, there's a problem. Violence in our favor. I'm gonna go break even as soon as we take out this previous, or as soon as we take, yeah, as soon as we take out this previous 4-hour high, I'm gonna go break even. Yeah, but you're in a really volatile area though. You're in a really volatile area, so you want to be careful. You want to be careful here. Yeah, because I mean, look, that's like immediate rejection, right? So yeah, that's a problem there. That right there is a problem. If this 5-minute close is bearish, you're fucked. If this 5-minute close is bearish, you're fucked. Let's see, let me just put in my stop loss real quick. 2390, 90.03. 2390.09. Where's that at? There you go. Yeah, so I mean, we're in the trade, but if this 5 closes bearish like this below this level, yeah, you're I mean, to be honest, if it just closes bearish, it's a long day. Trust me, it's a long day. It's a long day. It's a very long day. But we're in the positions though. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. You have volume here. I'm actually gonna put in, let me put in my TP real quick. Put in my TP. Well, it wouldn't be TPs, right? It would be, yeah, where would TP even be? I mean, break even would be here. I mean, TP could be anywhere, to be honest. I just put it at, why not? I put it all the way up here. See, why not? 2409, why not? 2409. TP is at 2409. Okay, so let's see what happens here. So 930 opened up. That's COMEX open. That's why we saw so much volume. Let's see what that does here though. Oof, yeah, that's not good. Yeah, price ain't forming the best here. This is not what we want to see. I won't lie. I shan't lie. This is not what we want to see. You want to see, I mean, the best thing you want to see here is a 5-minute bullish closure. But I take a closure above this level minimum. That I'd take. Okay, yeah, disgusting close. Absolutely disgusting close on the 5 there. Yeah, if this flips, you're gonna drive down. Yeah, that's a problem. Yeah, so if that flips, you're gonna drive down, right? But I'm gonna wait for this 15-minute to close, but you might drive down off of this 15, so keep that in mind. If you don't have your stop loss in, I mean, put it in now, right? Because if this flips on the 5, high chance you drive down. Yeah, because I mean, this hourly technically created the stop wick, so yeah, you do have room to drive down. The 4-hour, that would be, yeah, took out those lows. Yeah, for sure. If you take out these lows on the 4, you're gone, man. You're gonna melt. You're gonna melt. So yeah, let's see what happens though. Let's see what happens. We are in the trade right now. We are in the trade right now. Yeah, it looks like GJ is making its pullback now. Whether that's gonna continue, we'll see. But we are in gold for now. Yeah, we're bouncing up and down this range right now. So let's see. Let's see what I want. See what I want. This guy, see the. Yeah, you see these people, man. When you in drawdown, they just leave, man. When you in profits, oh, they here, bomba clock, man. Crazy, huh? Yeah. Yeah, so we're gonna, you know, you want to pay attention here. Stay active on the charts. If this minute closes bullish, that's really good, right? Okay, so the minute close bullish. Let's see how this open is okay, beautiful open on the minute as well. Yeah, you want to pay attention here. You want to pay attention because you want to manage this as soon as you take out these highs, these previous yeah, as soon as you feel this wick, this hourly wick, which I think you just did. Maybe did you just feel that wick? Yeah, okay, I'm break even. Yeah, so I'm break even there. Oh my goodness, did that just take me out at break even? Boo, boo. Yeah, so I just got taken out at break even, y'all. Yo, that's stupid. And now we're driving. Cool. Dickhead, man. Yeah, look at that shit. Look at that shit, bro. Okay, so this is the 5 closing. This is 15 close. Okay, so that trade came out to break even. But if we close here on the 15, if we have a bottom wick, if we can have a bottom wick, I'll take these buys as well. How many pips was that? Oh, that was 40 pips, dog. You're playing with me. You're playing with me. Okay, so that's another BE, bro. Too many BEs, man. Too many BEs. Okay, BE. So let me update the record real quick before I forget this one. And BE here as well. Yeah, too many BEs, bro. I'm sick of it. Too many BEs. I mean, I got some profit off of it. I got like, what is it, 0.45 of profit? Bruh, too many BEs. I'm sick of it. Yeah, I got like 0.45 profit. But now let's lock in though. Let's lock in. My fault. Let's lock in. This 15-minute closing above. If we can have a bottom wick, we'll take the buys up to these highs, right? We'll take the buys up and we have these highs as our vantage point. And now we have so this would be the hourly. So the hourly really shouldn't flip, right? Hourly really shouldn't flip. If we flip, we're pretty much done for. That's a 4-hour flip as well. Yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, that's the 15 close. We need a bottom wick. So 90. Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful.
Any trade?
Yeah, I was in one just now, but I got stopped out break even. Yeah, this right here is beautiful though. This right here is fuego. As soon as we flip on this candle,
What I say about the gold buys?
as soon as we flip on this candle, we're gonna take these buys.
What I say? The Israelite is not wrong. The stop loss was not hit.
Not yet, not yet. Am I recording? Yeah, so as soon as we flip here, or if we flip, I'm gonna take the buys. I would take the buys right now, right, and play the top wick, right? But yeah, it's the last 15 minutes of this 4, so this could just be a pullback. And also, I don't know if we already tapped into a level, right? So okay, so
I mean, these are all-time highs, to be fair.
Exactly. So I don't know if we already tapped into a level of rejection. So I
We
need
already
to.
have. We passed it.
No. I mean like the current high. I don't know if the current high is a rejection level. You know. Okay, so I just got into the buy. No, that's what I'm saying. Like, I don't know if this top wick is what I'm saying. I don't know if this top wick that we currently have is a rejection level. Is what I mean.
Okay. Chat, let the record show I told him to buy at the open of that next candle. That would have been 2,398.88. It would be up right now if we followed the Israelites.
Guy, wallah, I go ban you from my stream, yeah.
I'm just saying the stop loss was at 2,392.14 or roughly around that area. He would have been up.
Sorry, sir.
Remember when he wanted to sell chat? Man, he would have sold. Yeah.
Okay,
Double
so we're
entendre.
coming up here. Coming up. So I'm gonna, as soon as we break those highs again, I'm gonna go break even if we break those highs. If we break those highs, we should fly. What is this? 2402.68, 2402.68. Did we break the highs? Not yet. Broke. Okay, right there we broke the highs. We're break even right now. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we can fly up here. Come on, just fly, bro. Dickhead. Yeah, there's too much volume right now, man. We just getting stopped out after stopped out. That's another break even, dog.
Stopped out?
Yeah, man. Fuck it.
At break even?
Yeah, this bitch is gonna fly, man.
Oh, no, I
I
wouldn't
can't be
have
out.
moved to break even yet.
I
You
can't be
always
out. I can't be asked. I can't be asked. Yeah, fuck it. Yeah, I can't be out.
move to break even on the next candle open.
Nah, I can't do that, bro, because these are all-time highs, man. These are all-time highs from, like, as soon as we tap into that high again, we're either gonna reject heavy or we're gonna push heavy. And the fact that we're doing this nonsense, fuck it, bro. Fuck it.
True.
Fuck it.
Not
Fuck
everyone's
it.
got some balls.
Fuck it. Yeah. Let's see how this 5-minute closes. If we close bearish on this 5, if we come down, take out the lows. Yeah, it was not close bearish. If we can open bearish, no top wick, we come down, take out these lows, because we are playing this 15-minute, and this 15-minute is the last 15 before the hourly close, right? So you want to keep that in mind as well. So you can either just wait for the hourly to close. We have news at 10. Okay, actually, yeah, I just remembered we have news at 10.
Oh, yeah, no, news coming.
I just remembered we have news at 10.
In 10, 11 minutes.
Yeah, so yeah, fuck that. You gotta wait for
news is probably going to drive this up or down, who knows.
Yeah, we'll see. But yeah, now we're gonna wait on news here. Fuck no, man. That's pissed. All right, okay, so that's another break even. So 2 break evens on gold today. Fucking hell. Yeah. For the first one, right? I mean, there's nothing I could have done. As soon as we flipped, I had to go break even, because then you're taking out these highs, right? You're taking out these highs, and then you could just reject. So yeah, I mean, I'm not mad that I went break even. I'm mad that price didn't drive, right? So I went break even where I was supposed to, but price just didn't cooperate with your boy. Yeah, that's crazy, man. Way too many break evens for this week, to end the week. I mean, it's better than a loss, I guess. It's better than a loss, I guess. Ew, so BE there. Another BE here. Yeah, a little too much BE. A little too much BE. Let me see. Most likely, I know this man ain't streaming no more. Or okay, he is. Man like Don, he probably took that initial drive up, and he's probably out. He's probably out with runners. He's probably out with runners right now. I can guarantee you. Man, bro. Yeah, so I mean, I got a dip here in a bit, but you know, I'm gonna be here until 10. All right, I'll catch the 10 o'clock move or the 10 o'clock push. however we want to push. Let's see. Look at that, man. Oi, fe. Oi, fe. Oi, fe. Minute 5. Yeah, that was a hell of a push up, huh? Actually, would I have been taken out? Might have still been in this trade. Yeah, let's see how this hourly closes here, man. Let's see how this hourly closes. If we can get a good bottom wick off this hourly close, I mean, we have news as well, so we'll see. We'll see. Man, I got a dip at 10.10, but if we take a news entry, it should be pretty quick. If news does something anyways. Let's see. Let's see. GJ hourly for on some bullshit. Yeah. Cool. We'll see. We shall see. Now we just gotta let me see. I'm trying to see if I managed too early. Nah, man, I didn't manage too early because yeah, if you take out those highs, I mean, yeah, I guess maybe I should have what? Nah. It's just unfortunate. I did what I needed to do. It's just unfortunate that we tapped into break even. I did what I needed to do in terms of managing the risk or the position. So 5 minutes left here. Let's see what happens. Can we close in a way that makes sense? You could get sells here on GJ as well. If you were looking for some GJ sells, you could get some sells here. See, that's below there. Yeah, where did that tap into? Strap it, not strap in a coma. Madness, I can snap it in a moment. Not quite that level, but around these areas. Yeah, you tapped around these areas, yeah. Oh yeah, this is looking like a beautiful close. Shit. This is looking like a decent close on GJ as well for the sales. Okay. Yeah, that 30-minute close is bearish. First 5-minute close is bearish. Yeah, you in there. You in there still. Yeah, so GJ and gold could drive in opposite directions right now. Yeah, this is gonna be the last attempt. I'm not gonna rush. I'm not gonna chase anything though. Right, I'm not gonna chase anything. All right, 2 minutes here. I'll be back. Okay. Yeah, y'all let me know if what do y'all think? You think I managed that a little too early? What do y'all think? Let me know. Let me know. Because I said where I was gonna manage before, you know, before it even happened, right? So it wasn't like a impulse thing, right? It was all according to plan. It's just, so either the plan is deficient or, you know, it's just one of those things. Yeah, so I mean, I'm not gonna change the way I manage right now, because I mean, just based off of a few trades, of course not. Of course not. Sure. All right, this is news, right? So what did that do? Negative. So we should be driving up. Oh, I'm tempted to buy. I'm not gonna lie. I'm tempted to buy because news is in the same direction as price, right? Or as price action. Oh my god, if we can just have this 5 not flip, that would be beautiful. This 5 is definitely gonna flip, bro. Why would it not flip, right? Damn, that's 23 pips. Okay, let me see. Yeah, man, if we can have this 5 not flip, that would be great. That would be great. Yeah, we just need this 5 to not flip. Literally just that, not flip. Just don't flip. That's all we need. Music is all we got. Yeah, so it could come down there. So this is the hourly, right? This right here is the hourly joint. So yeah, goes down, boom, 30.1, so around there. Yeah, so this is what I'm looking at right now. This is what I'm looking at right now. Let's see what we get here. We just need this 5. We just need this 5 to close above here. Bearish above. We don't want this 5 to flip, because then that's the 15 flipping. We really don't want this 5 to flip. And if, okay, I mean, if the 5 flips, you want the next 5 to open bearish, right? With no top wick. Yeah. One of them. I can only take the flip here just because I don't know if we've run into a level here, right? Because this whole hourly could just melt without ever creating a top wick. So I'm not gonna take I'm only gonna take the flip, right? So actually, let me just bruh, if this flips, I'm gonna be pissed. Ah, it's gonna flip, isn't it? It's gonna flip, isn't it? Just don't flip, man. Come on. Yeah, I'm pressed for time here too, cause I got a dip. Yeah, we just need that to not flip. Okay, let me see, what is this? 2404.84. Yeah, we just flipped. Just don't drive, man. Just don't drive. Just don't drive. Holy. Oh, look at that. We flipped. Just don't drive, man. Don't drive. Come on, dog. Don't drive. Pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back. Come on, pull back, man. Oh my goodness. Yeah, man. I mean, that's how. Damn. You need okay. You can still take this. But now you need, oh my goodness, look at this shit. Yo, this is tough, man. This is tough. This is tough. You just need a top wick. You need price. If this 5 closes bullish, you just need a top wick, man. You just need a top wick. Yeah, you just need a top wick to fill the range, right? Or as to act as range that you can fill. Right. I'm probably gonna market execute. Let me see, 0.15. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, most likely I'm gonna market execute here. So pay attention. Pay attention. Pay close attention. Nice. Yeah, if we close above there, we're Gucci. Yeah, pay close attention here, guys. We have 20 seconds. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. This minute is closing back below. Oof. Yeah, I don't like that minute at all. So this 5 doing this. Yeah, let's see what happens. You want this next 5 to open with no top wick. How we open? Fuck. That's such a shit open, dog. That's such a shit open. 5:15. What's GJ doing anyways? Oh, what's GJ doing? What is this? And yeah, came down, tapped that level. Yeah, GJ basically did what gold did in reverse. Or in the opposite direction. Okay, we're taking out those highs again. I'm gonna can't even buy, can I? Minute. All right, let's see this minute close. If this minute closes above the range, I'm gonna buy. Okay, so let me see. Do we have a bottom wick? Nope. Yeah, that's just gonna drive up, huh? Yeah, fuck it. Bruh. Yeah, this is fucked. This is fucked. This is fucked. This is fucked. I mean, at this point, if we say we just want to buy just to, you know, play the top of this range or the top of this wick getting tapped into, it's not. Yeah, it's pretty shit, bro. Because yeah, I gotta go too. Fuck. Yeah, you know what, guys? Yeah. So I'm just gonna bow out for this one. I'm gonna bow out for this one, but this trade I will take if I see it. If we get a 15-minute closer above, or 15-minute close bullish, 5-minute close above here, right? I mean, on this next 5-minute, if this next 5-minute closes above here, if we get a bottom wick, I'll take these buys going up. But yeah, right now I'm yeah, nah, I'm gonna stay out of it for now, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. Yeah, that's unfortunate, man. Today was a very volatile day. I don't know how we didn't get anything. I mean, we got things, but 2 break-evens for the day, man. Damn, what's the time? 10:07. 5 minutes, 15. Yeah, that goes, it goes, isn't it? That goes, it goes. 5. Hey, okay, y'all. I'm gonna dip. I'm gonna call it. So we finally closed above, came down here. Okay, actually, if this respects, how many pips is this? 17 pips. 30. Yeah, nah, guys, I'm unsettled right now. Most likely we're gonna continue driving up, but I'm unsettled right now. Yeah. Thank you for tuning in. We're gonna run it back next week, right? Next week we're gonna go extra hard. We're finna be extra hard. Pause. But yeah, next week we're gonna go extra hard. We're gonna trade all the what's it called? All the sessions. We're gonna be in here trading all the sessions. Yeah, I'm gonna try and stream you know, if I'm trading sessions other than New York, but yeah, nah. We missed a bunch of, well, we missed one entry on GJ today, got 2 entries, break even. It is what it is, right? These things happen. But it was a very good day though. It was a very good day, and you can still have more buys going up here, but for now I got a dip. So I'll catch y'all on the next one. Yeah, peace.